Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You understand? I'm here to let the world know what is going on in the world. You understand? But first, I want everyone to subscribe to me right now. Okay, you need your fresh hairstyle or haircuts. Go check her out. Go check her out. Go check her out. She is here by Lex right over here on Instagram. You guys can go DM her. You understand? To get your fresh haircuts. More info over there. Okay, yes. And do subscribe to me on One Code Music channel. You understand? Yes. So Yungeen Ice game over. Ace. Sorry. Yungeen Ace. Ice. Ace. Game over music video. Right here. Let's see what's happening. So y'all know the FOOLIO and the other guy mix up, right? There's so many stuff going on right now. So he just come out just to
We going to the
Yeah, I know I smoke bad people, man. You know what I'm saying? I smoke 6. 5 in the morning, I got a call. What is this? What is this? That on the floor, that on the ride, Mr. 6. Oh, no. I'm steady screaming out for the law, for the 6. 4 in the car, 1 of them dead, 3 got hit. I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit.
Bro, is he saying everything? Like, is he the one that is saying everything, bro? Like, happening, bro? Trust me, yo.
You wanna war? Hey, I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. I told them step a little hard around this bitch, nigga. I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. You wanna war? You wanna war? Hey, I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch. Hey, pulling up the coulda seen, knocking off his top. Bullets through this windshield, can't miss with this chop. I told them niggas don't come and play with me. Play with me. I told them niggas watch what they saying to me. Hey, nigga, I kill for shit like this. Nigga, I live for shit like this. Hit a nigga went to that grave and took a picture. They got hit. Hit a nigga that made the list. I bet they got that shit split. Hit a nigga I caught a trap. Bet they got that shit flipped. Nigga, I caught coming out the trap. I bought the car and bust him. They saying rest in peace to him. I'm screaming fuck him. Tell her I was to come outside and slide for 6.
Bro, this guy seems like he have no heart, bro. There's no heart, bro.
That y'all can't run, you boys can't hide from this. 5 in the morning.
Bro, he's saying everything like he's the one doing everything, bro.
What is this? That on the floor, that on the ride, Mr. 6. I'm steady screaming out for the law.
Like, the song is tough for real. Like, you can vibe. You can vibe. The song is the song of a buzz, but the lyrics, bro, like, the game is over. Maybe. Let's see.
I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. You want a war? You want a war? Hey, I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch. These niggas tripping. I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. You want a war? You want a war? Hey,
People know violence. You understand? You have to subscribe right now. You understand? People, big up all of my subscribers. You understand? I can't do without you guys. Trust me. I need you guys to subscribe right now and share this video and like this video. Okay? But first, no violence. Alright? Yes, because nothing come out of violence, bro. Well, something come out, you're gonna be in the grave. You understand? You don't want to be there. No violence. Okay?
told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch. Damn. Hey, 4-1 sweet ball game, nigga. Ball game.
If even I'm saying the name right, FOOLIO or FOOLIO, he's on, like, this guy and that guy. I think the guy this guy is yo bro, I think this guy is singing about a guy that passed. You understand? That died couple years or day or weeks or hours or second ago. You understand? This guy is singing about a dead guy. Like they both in some feud or something, some argument, some misunderstanding. So, like, bro, this is everything.
I'm down to what they call me, nigga. Bitch, I'm running shit like Tony, I don't get no fucks. 76 Susan, knock his face off, now pick him up. Oh no, the fuck you think you fooling, Voodoo couldn't get him up. Oh no, the fuck they thought was losing, I was always up. For any rap nigga feeling play, you niggas could get it too. Cause I got bodies under my belly.
Bro, the thing is, something happened like that, right? A crime happened like that. Oh, would you know everything that happened? I'm not gonna say like it's the lyrics. It's lyrics, yes, but like it seems like he was there, like he's the one shooting or something. Like, oh, you know everything, bro. You understand? Like,
I know it's shoot. When 20 down inside my eyes, I lost my mind. What you doing? Karma do the all, I know get back, do a time. 556 increase the murder rate. The body on the way. Mask on, get up close. This another close case. Down Julio shots to the 5 in the morning. I got a call. What is this? That on the floor, that on the ride, Mr. Six. I'm steady screaming out for the lawn, for the 6. Oh no. 4 in the car, one of them
bro,
dead.
I know artists, bro. Like after they turn back friends, bro. You understand? But this guy right here, Yungeen, is not capping, bro.
I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. No.
Some stuff for you,
I
bro.
told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Oh. I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. You don't want no war. I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Nigga. Yeah. Fucking done dollar, man. Fuck. Niggas all day, these niggas don't want to go to war with me, man. These niggas don't want this shit, bro. These niggas don't want to go to war with me, man. Fuck.
Guys, y'all reach the end, bro. You understand? I need everyone to subscribe. All the Yungeen Ace fans, subscribe to me right now. And don't war with me, you understand? No cap. But people, big up yourself, you understand? Please go over here by Lex, get the fresh haircut, exclusive, you understand? Bang! People, you wanna hear this music over one code music channel? Subscribe to it right now. You understand? Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. Big up on yourself. People, I'm out.